Hi guys! Welcome back to another chapter of Unfolding Kate. If you're new here, I'm Kate and this is a safe space where we talk about healing, growth, faith, and the lessons life teaches us one chapter at a time. So today's conversation is about something I think all of us experience at some point in our lives. Have you ever thought you were finally okay? And then one random day, one song, one place, one memory, and suddenly parang bumalik ulit lahat. If your answer is yes, I just want you to know you're not going backwards. You're healing. As I'm about to turn 35 next month, isa sa pinakamalaking realization ko is this: healing isn't linear. For the longest time, I thought healing had a deadline. Akala ko after a few weeks or after a few months, okay na dapat. Hindi naman dapat umiiyak. Hindi na dapat nasasaktan. Hindi na dapat namimiss. But life doesn't work that way. Healing has its own timeline. One thing I learned this year is that healing isn't about forgetting. It's about remembering without letting the memory control your life. Because, let's be honest, there are people will probably never completely forget. Not because we're still holding on, but because they became part of our story. At meron silang magandang lesson na naiwan sa atin. Stories don't disappear. They simply become chapters we no longer live in. I remember asking myself, Lord, bakit parang okay na ako kahapon? Pero bakit ngayon, parang ang bigat na naman? Then I realized healing doesn't mean you'll never cry again. Healing means you no longer stay in that pain as long as you used to, and that's growth. One thing that helped me was allowing myself to be honest. Kapag namimiss ko, inaamin ko. Kapag nasasaktan ako, inaamin ko din. At kapag masaya ako, ine-enjoy ko. Because pretending to be okay isn't healing. It's just hiding. Dapat maging matapang ka na harapin yung pain na nararamdaman mo. Siyempre, haharapin mo siya to the point na para makaya mong i-handle siya. Hindi yung magiging stuck ka lang doon tapos wala kang growth. Iba yun, magkaiba yun. This is where my faith became different. Before, my prayer was always, Lord, alisin mo na yung sakit. Pero ngayon, my prayer sounds different. Lord, if this pain still has something to teach me, stay with me while I learn. Because I realized God never asked us to fake being okay. He simply asked us to come to Him exactly as we are. Broken, confused, tired. Healing starts with honesty. So, if today you feel like you're starting over, please, don't be too hard on yourself. You're not failing. You're growing. And growth almost always feels uncomfortable. So, maybe one day, you'll remember everything, and instead of crying, you'll smile. Not because the story wasn't painful, but because you survived it. Yun ang palagi mong dadalhin sa puso mo. If you're watching this today, I hope this becomes your reminder. Take your time. Healing isn't a race. You don't have to rush it. One day, without even realizing it, gigising ka na lang isang araw, mapapansin mo na the pain doesn't control you anymore. Ganun yun. So, huwag ka masyadong maging hard sa sarili mo, okay? Damdamin mo lahat ng sakit. Basta wag ka lang mag-i-stay dyan sa sakit na yan. At wag mo nga hayaan na yung pain na meron ka, magamit mo yan para makasakit ka ng ibang tao. Alright? Yun lang. So, thank you for spending another chapter with me. I'm Kate and this is Unfolding Kate. See you in the next chapter. Bye!